Paying 100,000 as a fine on the new Rev360 tax portal. Let's talk about what I discovered and what I just find out about our new standard tax portal known as Rev360. I believe as an agent, as a business owner, as a company owner, as an NGO owner, you all need to see this. And if you are seeing this, make sure to do your friend, your client, your family, or your neighbor the best thing by sending this video to them, just for them to be aware of what is on ground and what is going on, either as an agent or an individual that owns a company or that has a registered company. Now let's go into it. I just discovered this and I said, let me bring it to our hearings for us to also know and be aware of this, that unlike our former tax portal known as tax promas portal, if you did not file your VAT on tax promas, it will be there till you file it. But the new tax portal has changed everything. Don't think you can bring the mentality of how you file tax on tax promas to Rev360. No, this is called a standard portal. This is called an upgraded portal. So there are so many things that has changed as of when Rev360 was launched, and many of us do not know what these things are yet. I will be unveiling it one after the other as time goes by. So make sure you like this video, you subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop any other video regarding the things we need to put in place to be on a safer side. Yeah, either as a big business owner or as a small business owner. So I discovered that if you fail to file your VAT on time on Rev360, you will be paying a fine of 100,000 naira. So for those who might not understand what I mean by fine, it means penalty. Penalty. Penalty will be given to you, which is 100,000 naira. It is automatical once you elapse the dates you're supposed to file your VAT. Either you are filing nil VAT or you are filing a VAT to make VAT payments. Once you cross the line of 21st, then penalty is automatically waiting for you on your portal. Yes, and what does this mean? It means that if by on the 21st of every month you did not file your VAT before 21st elapse, then you will be paying 100,000 naira. For late filing, automatically 100,000 will pop up on your portal for late filing. Yes, late filing, that is what this is all about. So make sure, if you don't know how to file, make sure to learn how to file or give it out to a competent tax consultant who can file it for you without any error or mistakes. And I have a detailed video on this channel where I explain in detail how you can file your VAT all by yourself. And if you want me to file your VAT for you, feel free to use the link in the description box to reach out to me. And subsequently, I will be dropping videos on each of these do's and don'ts of the new tax portal. So in essence, for you to avoid paying accumulated 100,000 penalty on the new tax portal either as a standard business or a medium business or a small business owner who already has an account on Tax Promas. Now, yes, if you already have your account on Tax Promas, this is also applicable to you. Don't say, thank God I've not come to Rev360. Either you are presently on Rev360 or you were on Tax Promas. It's the same. It's just change of portal. It is still your same business, same company, and same name. You just need to migrate to Rev360 and put the things that you need to put in place in proper place for you to avoid falling for this, for you to avoid had I known. This particular company owner is presently in a big shock because of the penalty given to him. He didn't see this coming simply because the agent who helped him to register on Tax Promas never told him he needs to be filing his VAT monthly. That is one of the reasons why you need to make sure you give out your job to a competent agent who is ready to explain in details for you the do's and don'ts of what you are about entering into. It is not all about registering on the CAC portal or Tax Promas portal or any of the government's official portal and just vanish. No, you need to know more. You need to ask questions so as to be on a safer side. If he had been filing his VAT monthly, he wouldn't have fallen victim of this. Presently, he has not been able to file this because he was to file nil VAT filing initially. So now he needs to pay 100,000 for the month of March because he did not file it on time. For those who might not know what nil filing means, it means keeping record on your tax portal every month, even if you did not make any profit that you want to declare and pay VAT for. You must file nil filing. That is basically what it's all about. You file without paying on the portal. That is what nil filing means. So if you find value in this message, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I will provide an answer to all your questions. And also, turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when I drop other videos. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.